Okay, so let's look at a trade page and go through this really in depth because it's obviously going to be the same for all the different kinds of verticals we do. They're going to be very similar. So let's start by looking at this. In this case, our stock price is $12.55. So this is the stock we're using. It's going to be the same example we just showed with the $100 stock price because that was easy. But now it's exactly $12.55. So in this case, we're going to look at selling a vertical. So what does that mean? When we short a vertical or sell a vertical, it means we sell it for a credit. And our defined risk formula for verticals when we sell them is our max loss is the difference between the strikes minus the credit received. What does that mean? Well, let's first take a look at how this vertical is set up. Here's a 12.55 call. In this case, we're going to sell the 12.55 call just like we did in our example of $100, and we're going to buy the next one up, which in this case is the 12.60 call. So we're selling the 12.55 call and we're buying the 12.60 call for protection. And by doing that, it's going to define our risk, as I'll show you in a second. And when we do this, we are selling it for a credit of $2.35. Okay, so let's go to the next page and really break this thing down.